Hi everyone! Sharing my healthy and delicious pasta sauce. I'm sure everyone will love this recipe, so try it now. Sauté onions, garlic, and mushrooms in olive oil. Then add tuna chunks. Add tomato sauce and a little bit of water, then simmer for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Cream of chicken or cream of mushroom will thicken the sauce and will add umami to your pasta sauce. Stir well, and then voila, it's done! This healthy pasta sauce is best with any kind of pasta noodles of your choice. Top with perfect amount of parmesan or any grated cheese, it will make your pasta dish even better.